What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another Westo Angling video. We are back at the river fishing for smallmouth. I love this place, guys. I had to come back. I got the day off of work. Smallmouth are probably one of my favorite fish to catch. They fight so hard, and I'm super excited to get down there and start fishing. So let's get rigged up and let's get ready to go.
Oh, I just got hit. He missed it though. That was the first strike of the day. Oh, I just caught a snake. Are you kidding me? I got a snake. Oh, that's fun. Oh boy. Oh, you're not happy. I know. Okay, this is not what I was expecting at all. It looks like he's trying to play dead, but I can't. Yep, I know. Oh yeah, you're... Ow! You mother... That thing just bit me. Okay. Alright, yep, I know. No. There we go. Got him. Get out of here. Go. Oh my God. Oh. What's that? Yeah, I'm not planning on it. Oh my goodness. Got one. No way. No. Oh, it came off, dude. No. It came off. I just had one. Holy cow, dude. That thing was fighting like crazy. That might have been a big one, bro. Oh my goodness. That's the second fish now. Oh my gosh, dude. Makes me wonder if I'm foul hooking something? I don't know. Another. Am I snagging something? I think I'm snagging something. Okay, so things didn't go as planned at that spot right there. We have a second spot somewhat like that we're gonna go. It's about 20 minutes away. We're gonna go check this out for the first time. I'm hoping for just at least one fish for you guys. So fingers crossed we can make it happen. I know for a fact that was a smallmouth I caught on that jerkbait, but those other ones, they might have been, I think I was snagging something because something wasn't right. I was just missing them all, but we're gonna go to the second spot, toss around, see if we can catch anything. So I'll see you guys there. Wow, she's roaring. Oh my God, another snake. Guy. He's hiding. There he is. Another snake. Yeah, you get out of there. Oh, jeez, dude.
I am having the absolute worst luck with snakes today. I'm actually kind of scared now. They're everywhere. Well, let's see if we can catch a fish finally. There's another snake right here. Is he dead? Nope, he ain't dead. Okay, high alert today. It's like snake country over here. I have now seen about, I think I've seen probably 8 snakes today. Gosh, another one. No, stay away, stay away, stay away. Yeah, that's right. Get down there. Goodness gracious, man. I need to leave. Quick update. The fish are just not having it today. Still getting skunked here, but we have our new toy. I'm gonna show you guys that really quick. Shout out to my boss, Griffey, for hooking me up with the DJI Mavic Mini.
Here she is in all of her glory. We got the controller, we got 3 batteries, we got the little drone itself. I mean, this thing isn't very big, but it's sweet. We're gonna get some more footage of the river for you guys real fast. And after I get this footage, we're probably gonna call it a day. So I'm looking forward to incorporating the drone into more videos. I really want to try and get a catch with the drone over me. I think that would be so sick. Not happening today though, because the fish just aren't hungry, I guess, as Alyssa would say. So we're gonna toss this bad boy back up, get some more cool footage, because we have a little bit better natural light right now. It was a lot more gloomy earlier, so let's get her up and enjoy, guys.
Always think of you when spring comes, like it's something in the air at that time. Don't know why. Always dream of you when spring comes. It's like the heat